Hey there, y'all, and welcome back. Yours truly here, Miss J Sweetapple. I've been getting a lot of my favorite winter vintage fashions hung up and ready to share with you all. I've pulled aside a lot of my favorite festive pieces as we're approaching the holidays here, and I thought it would be fun to go ahead and inspire you pinup girls out there with some of these favorite fashions of mine from the 1940s and the 1950s. I've got pops of red, gorgeous greens, and a lot of sparkle here to go ahead and share with you all. So let's dive in and take a look at these beautiful fashions, and let's get inspired for this holiday season. Ooh. So let's start with this little wiggle dress from the 1950s that really emphasizes to me winter, snowflakes, going out, getting a hot cup of cocoa, and then also welcoming in the new year. This little dress has an amazing, beautiful cream white neckline that's got this knit, fuzzy knit too, that is almost like that boat neck shape that goes from the front and onto the back there. I love the little detailing here just on the side that has this little bow with little rhinestones there. And then we do have that beautiful bust line that, you know, wearing the right bra will definitely make that va-va-va-voom shape that we're all loving, leading down to that nipped in waist, little side metal zipper there, and then the perfect little silhouette of that pencil skirt for that wiggle dress look. This dress did not have a dress label from what I could see, but again, the detailing on this is so beautiful. The neckline, the fabric here, which is that like very light gray tweed wool fabric. And again, I just absolutely love the aesthetic that this really brings, is that 1950s wiggle dress for that Marilyn Monroe pinup girl that's out there. And pairing the right accessories is always so important too. So having a nice little winter shawl and a vintage hat here really makes this whole outfit really come together for that holiday look. Dress number 2 here, a fabulous bright red wiggle dress as well, but this one has a little bit more simplicity to it, and it gives you a lot of room to go ahead and accessorize with the most beautiful holiday pieces of jewelry, brooches, or just keeping it really simple with just the red wiggle dress. This fabric is really fuzzy. It's a synthetic, almost kind of wool-like, so it definitely has a lot of warmth without that real itchy feel, and it definitely has that bullet bra shape, so you definitely need to have the right bra to go ahead and wear this little wiggle dress. It's sewn in, very nipped in waist that leads down to that wiggle skirt again. We've got a side metal zipper here and 3/4 length sleeves with, you know, a slight dolman shape there. So this dress is a Jonathan Logan dress. Definitely want to show you the label. I know that a lot of you have seen a lot of Jonathan Logan dresses, so there are quite a few of different styles that are out there for Jonathan Logan, but definitely quintessential for that 1950s pinup girl style. Up next, we've got a beautiful 1940s, just shimmery Christmas holiday dress set. This is one of those signature 1940s, very tailored dress jacket and a flared A-line skirt that match in this beautiful shimmery maroon color with pinstriping of this beautiful gold accent. This is definitely one of those dresses that you can really go out, have a cocktail, welcome in Christmas and the holidays, while still having that perfectly suitable 1940s pinup girl look. Loving the tailoredness of this jacket with, again, the detailing here on the cuff and also along the collar. And I love also the signature of the 40s having a little bit more of a fabric button than the scarcity of having a metal or plastic button for the World War II efforts. I love the A-line skirt here too that matches so perfectly. The A-line gives you a little bit more of a beautiful silhouette, especially for us voluptuous girls out there. And it gives you a little bit more of just that beautiful silhouette that was signature of the 40s. This is a Doris Dodson piece, which is a really signature 1940s designer out there. Show you the label. And you could see this with just the most beautiful hat as well. So pairing a 1940s tilt hat that's a wide brim with beautiful sparkle detailing there can really make this whole outfit really pop. Could be a really beautiful set with little black shoes, little pumps there. This is just gonna be a beautiful, beautiful set for the holidays. So definitely wearing the right tilt hat, having that 1940s look can really go so far in just a little dress set like this. So fun. Another beautiful 1940s piece here. This is a very heavy black crepe and also white striped detailing little circle skirt dress that's definitely so reminiscent of the winter season and perfect for the holidays and welcoming in the new year. This heavy black crepe fabric, which is just really heavily knit, and then these beautiful, really rich detailing that really like pops out, really has like a beautiful feel to it of these cream stripings. So it's really, really beautiful, signature of the 40s with that kind of style. I love the rich black velvet here all along the collar and here on the cuff too of the sleeve, with front buttons that are covered that lead down to the opening to your to the waistline here with a covered metal zipper there. I love the nipped in waist that definitely has these little pockets here that also have these beautiful covered buttons that have a little bit more of that velvet. And then it leads into this beautiful circle skirt that's really heavy and it drapes so well when on. Oh, it's so heavy. Now this dress, I couldn't find a fashion label on it, so it is labelless. Oh, it's my cuckoo clock. So this dress, it's so perfect for the winter time. It's so heavy, and then with these beautiful detailing of black velvet, it really makes me feel like you want to go almost ice skating, or even for a winter, snowy sleigh ride or something like that. It really just represents that to me and how heavy it is. And then pairing the right accessory, and for me it's always a beautiful hat, and with this being a 1940s style, I think pairing a beautiful tilt hat that has this beautiful almost whimsical style to it right here on the side, I think that would just really bring this whole look to life, especially when you've got your hair maybe tucked in a snood and you've got your bangs all curled in. This is going to give you that beautiful 1940s pinup girl look. Next up, I am a shoe-in for two-piece sets, so I was definitely drawn to this beautiful bright red little sweater knit top and matching little trumpet style skirt here. I absolutely love the pop of this Christmas tweed here. I love that it's added to the collar line and it matches so perfectly with this little trumpet skirt. The fit of this is just so quintessential of that sweater girl of the 1950s, especially with that bra that really gives you a good fit. But it definitely has a little bit more of that cropped fit as well, so it definitely just stays right there on your nice hip line. I love, again, that it's just a kind of trumpet cut, so it definitely has that little bit more added flair at the bottom, while it still has that more of that pencil skirt shape. Definitely want to show you a close-up of the label. That is so pretty. Have fun. And again, just such a beautiful set, and it's just so easy to wear this while curled up at home with a good book by the Christmas tree, maybe listening to some Elvis Christmas music, and maybe even baking some sugar cookies. So this is just that at-home look that really is so simplistic and so beautiful of that 1950s pinup girl look. I've got a 1940s beautiful bright red wool wiggle dress, and this is a late 1940s early 50s wiggle dress, but it's in that beautiful knit wool fabric, so it definitely has just a little bit of stretch that's gonna give all of your hourglass shape a good hugging. I love this dress. I have had this dress for a few years. It's one of my favorites that I wear around the holidays. I actually wore it last Christmas to the casino before COVID, and definitely had our holiday gambling going on in this beautiful number. Loving the pop of white here in the collar that's got black little detailing, and then the rhinestone pinned accents there on the side is so pretty. Got a front bust, top bust, a covered button opening, and then the attached little ties here, so you can definitely make it a little bit closer open if you wanted to. Beautiful bust line here. Again, it's going to be that upper kind of cut, so you're going to have that high bust line for your bra there to give you that look. Your beautifully nipped in waistline that just really hugs, like I said, and then you've got your side metal zipper here, very signature of the 40s, that leads into your pencil skirt, wiggle skirt shape that really hugs those hips as you walk. I love this dress. It is just something that just really pops, and again, it's just so signature for the holidays. So again, adding just the cutest little accessory can really make this dress give you the added 40s look. Adding a little black velvet beret just on the side for this hat will really make this whole look really pop and make it really signature again of that pinup girl 40s look. I definitely want to show you guys the label here. The cute little label. Now this one does have, it looked like it might have had a belt, but I don't have the belt anymore, so again, maybe just a little simple black belt with some little black pumps, and you're all ready for your holiday outing, or maybe a little shopping going on before some Christmas. Finally, a little green here. And this one is, again, a really signature 1940s style, really simplistic wool and pleated dress here. I absolutely love the solid, bright holiday green that this brings. We've got a beautiful bust line here, again, just really simplistic, but again, with the right bra, it really makes everything pop and give you that va-va-va-voom look. Covered front bust buttons, again very signature of the 40s, and then we lead into a very nipped in waist with a side metal zipper there, also very beautiful of the 40s. I've got this beautiful sewn in lampshade pleatedness to this A-line skirt, and it really does, just with the heaviness of the wool here, it just gives everything such a beautiful drape and feel on. I definitely want to show you the label. Loving this Christmas green, gives you lots of opportunity to bring that pop of red, pop of gold, maybe a little sparkle to this little piece. I definitely will be pairing some beautiful holiday accessories with this piece, giving it just that signature holiday look and bringing that 1940s pinup girl look a little bit closer to home. Up next, I love this 1940s blouse. Very structured in this beautiful gray and white and just black detailing in this very woven tweed. Love the rhinestone detailing that really just gives a little bit more of our winter fashion, a little bit more stylish. We've got our double row of buttons that lead you in from not only a beautiful bust line, but into a nipped in peplum here that definitely has some nice pleats that are very flattering. Again, this is almost the same heaviness fabric as the black dress that I had shown earlier with the velvet detailing. So it definitely has a lot of weight and warmth to it. And pairing, again, the right accessories like a little black belt and a signature little black skirt, whoop, can really make this whole outfit come together. A very frayed little label here that I can show you guys. A little bit frayed there. With the nipped in waist here and that beautiful peplum here, it really is just so beautifully fitted, and it just really can go with such any kind of styled accessories. So I could see this with a big brimmed black hat, or even your signature little black tilt hat too. It's really nice. Really beautiful 1940s piece for our winter inspiration and holiday attire. Last but not least, our little bit of sparkle. So what I've got here is a 1950s gold lame almost of this beautiful wiggle dress that's very cocktail outing with a detachable little shawl here that is just so fun and festive. I couldn't believe it. How beautiful is that? Again, this is just that beautiful, just simple 1940s cape shawl that has that's the inside and this is the outing. So it's got beautiful glass beading and then all of these beautiful gold sequins that almost make a stripy kind of look there. I paired it really well with this beautiful, almost Marilyn Monroe style cocktail dress. Almost has this leopard print theme that's like motif print that's in this dress. It's got so much beautiful draping and just beautiful detailing, and the fit of this is so amazing. Absolutely love all the draping here that lead not only from the beautiful bust line but down into your waistline here, and then again you've got just kind of almost a Cleopatra-esque to this. And I couldn't find a fashion label on this one, but I just feel that this would be so beautiful at your cocktail party with a beautiful glass of bubbly champagne ready to welcome in the new year. Ooh. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's always such a pleasure to bring you into my vintage home, sharing my vintage fashions and keeping you inspired in your pinup girl lifestyle. I'll have more of my pinup girl fashions and pinup girl videos posted to you guys very soon, so definitely check back and hit that subscribe button below, and be sure to follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok for more pinup girl inspiration. I hope that you all have been staying super safe out there and staying healthy. I hope that you all have a beautiful holiday. Stay lovely, and most of all, stay vintage. Bye.